Yeah, have you been struggling to make money online? Have you tried several methods by which you can make money online from home? Or maybe you've bought several courses online and they have not given you the result you want. Here is the good news for you. You watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to make money online. While following the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video is the second 50% of getting paid online. So once again, I go by the name Skywet. Follow my videos, follow my steps to see how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly, and you can make the same even as a beginner from home. Watch my video. Yes, good day everyone. I go by the name Skywet. If you are watching this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, have you been struggling to make money online? Have you tried several methods by which you can make money online? Or maybe you've even paid affiliate coach or wet coach online to train you on how to make money, and all has led to nothing. This is a good news for you because you watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to make money online, even as a beginner that has no knowledge about affiliate marketing or about how it works. Yes, because in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step method where I'll be using to make thousands of dollars weekly. As you can see on the screen, this is account of one of my students, Ismail. He's from Iran. He got my software on the 19th. He set it up. He started earning on 21st. As you can see on the screen, these are great results: $400, $600, $700, $500. So with my technique, I'm going to be showing you how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos. Yes, if you've been following my video, you know I'm an affiliate marketing coach and I'm also a software developer. And in affiliate marketing, as you all know, that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. So the higher the number of products to sell, the higher your commission, which means the higher your gain. And the higher the price of the product to sell, the higher your commission also. And there are several things you need to consider while going into affiliate marketing for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that you need a strong backup for your traffic system. Traffic, I mean people that are going to be accessing your affiliate product, that are going to be buying your product, the people that you are going to be sending your affiliate link to, or you are going to be making known your affiliate products to, so that you can buy your product and get commission from their purchase. So due to my problem in affiliate marketing also over the years, due to the problems I've encountered, but also because I am a software developer, I've developed several softwares which I'll be using over the year now, and now I have a software which has been earning me beautiful results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffics online daily and promoting your affiliate products to this organic traffic. Yes, the good news is that my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can also use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify, or any affiliate marketing platform. So to contact me to get started on how to use my software, on getting my software, and the good news is that I've recorded a step-by-step explanatory video course which you guide you step by step on how to use my software on any affiliate marketing platform, which means from selecting the product you are going to be promoting to how to get targeted traffic, people that want the product, that are going to be giving you excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. The step-by-step video has been recorded and it will be given to you when you get the software. So to get my software video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, please contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com. Text me on Telegram through somewhere you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through somewhere you can see on the screen how to get my software video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. So get the software now and start earning big. And also, I'm going to be creating an account for you if you have restriction in opening an account in your country. Yes, because I have many students around the world, and most of them, the issue they have with ClickBank is that they don't have access opening ClickBank account. But if you are going to be my student, I'm going to create an account for you, and I can also teach you how you can create an account from any country of your choice without being banned, or for you to get access to ClickBank account and start making money on ClickBank. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number I can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and get started of making money online, even as a beginner that has no knowledge about affiliate marketing or about how my software works, because a video course has been recorded that will guide you step by step, and I'm also always accessible to my students. All my students know that if you have any question, I'm going to guide you step by step till you start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyway, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.